Why do we say "bless you" when someone sneezes? One theory goes back to ancient Rome. Sneezing was seen as a sign of good health, so people responded with a blessing. But during the 6th century plague, Pope Gregory I reportedly encouraged people to say, "God bless you," to ward off death after a sneeze. In other cultures, people believed the soul could escape the body during a sneeze, or that evil spirits could enter. Saying "bless you" became a kind of protection. Today, it's just polite, but its roots are surprisingly deep.